Do you often feel stressed about money? Maybe it's because bills are adding up or your credit card balance is never ending. A lot of people struggle with money, which can cause sleepless nights and constant worry. But today, I'll tell you about a simple bedtime routine that might help attract unexpected money and start your journey to financial freedom. Imagine waking up and being able to enjoy life without worrying about money. You could go on vacation, buy things without guilt, or live without debt. That's the kind of financial freedom many of us dream about, but it often feels impossible to achieve. What if I told you there's a way to start bringing money into your life by spending just 1 minute each night? By focusing your thoughts and intentions, you can attract financial blessings. This isn't about getting rich quickly, but about creating a mindset that welcomes money and growth. In this video, I will share a routine that uses focus, visualization, and gratitude to help you create a mindset that draws wealth to you. Whether you're dealing with debt, want to make more money, or just want more opportunities, this practice could be the key to attracting financial abundance into your life. Let's learn how this easy bedtime routine can change your financial situation. Ready to say goodbye to debt and welcome more money into your life? Let's begin. Money problems are very common. Maybe you feel anxious when bills arrive in the mail, knowing you don't have enough to pay them, or you get nervous when you check your bank account, hoping you have enough to last until the end of the month. This stress can really weigh you down and affect not only your money but also your health, relationships, and happiness. Financial problems are a reality for many people worldwide. They can start small, like missing a payment or spending a bit too much, but can quickly turn into a cycle of debt, late fees, and more stress. When you're always worried about money, it's hard to think about anything else. It can affect your job, put pressure on your relationships, and keep you awake at night wondering how you'll make it. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us have wished for a quick fix, like winning the lottery or getting an unexpected windfall to solve our problems. But in reality, financial stability usually comes from hard work and discipline. However, that doesn't mean you can't attract money into your life. By changing your mindset and aligning your thoughts with abundance, you can begin to break the cycle of financial stress. The routine I'm about to share is meant to help you change how you think. It's not about avoiding responsibility or hoping for miracles. Instead, it's about opening yourself up to the possibilities of money and taking steps to welcome financial opportunities. Let's explore how this simple bedtime routine can start you on the path to financial freedom. To do this money manifestation routine, you won't need fancy tools or expensive things. In fact, the beauty of this routine is how simple it is. Here's what you'll need: a glass jar. You'll need a clear jar with a lid. This jar will hold your intentions for financial growth. A paper bill. Use any bill like a $5 or $20. This bill will symbolize the start of your financial growth. White sugar. You'll need a pinch of sugar, which will represent bringing in positive energy and good financial fortune. Cleansing tool. Use something like sage or Palo Santo to cleanse the space, getting rid of any negative energy and making room for positive energy. You'll also need a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This is where you'll focus your energy and set your intentions for financial growth. Once you have everything ready, find a comfortable spot to perform the routine each night. Now, let's talk about how to create a special space for your money manifestation. This step helps you clear away any negative energy and get into a positive mindset. Here's how to do it. Find a quiet spot. Choose a place in your home where you can do the routine without interruptions. Use cleansing tools. Light your sage, Palo Santo, or incense. Let the smoke fill the space to clear away any lingering negative energy. Set your intentions. While cleansing the space, think about your financial goals. Visualize the money and freedom you want to attract. You can also add personal items, like a crystal or a photo that makes you think of wealth, to your space. These items can help strengthen your focus. By creating this space, you are preparing for a successful money manifestation. Now, you're ready to begin. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing the ritual. Cleanse and charge the jar. Hold the jar and let the smoke from your cleansing tool surround it. Imagine the smoke clearing away any negative energy that might block your financial growth. Set your intention with the bill. Hold the bill in your hands and think about how much money you want to attract. Picture that amount coming into your life. Recite affirmations. Say, "Money always comes to me easily," at least 7 times. Speak these words with confidence and believe that financial abundance is on its way. Roll the bill. Roll up the bill tightly like a small scroll. As you roll it, think about your financial goals and imagine this bill growing into more money. Sweeten the ritual. Pour a pinch of sugar into the jar, covering the bill. This symbolizes sweetening your intentions and bringing in positive financial energy. Seal the jar. Close the lid and place the jar somewhere you'll see it every day. It will serve as a reminder of your financial intentions. You've now completed the main part of the ritual. The next step is to repeat this bedtime practice every night to strengthen your intentions and attract the financial abundance you desire. Each night, hold the jar, focus on your financial goals, and visualize wealth coming into your life. This bedtime routine is an important part of the money manifestation process. By doing it regularly, you align your energy with financial abundance and reinforce your goals. Keep performing this ritual, and you may start to see changes in your financial situation. To perform the bedtime ritual and manifest the financial blessings you desire, follow these simple steps every night. This practice helps to reinforce your intentions, visualize your financial goals, and align your energy with abundance before you sleep. Steps to perform the bedtime ritual. Hold the jar and focus on your intentions. Before going to bed, hold the glass jar containing the rolled-up bill and sugar in your hands. Feel its weight and connect with your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, increasing income, or achieving financial freedom. Reinforce your affirmations. Repeat the affirmation, "Money always comes to me with great ease," either out loud or in your mind. Say it with conviction, believing in its truth. This affirmation reminds you of your intention to attract abundance. Visualize your financial goals. Close your eyes and picture your desired financial outcomes. Imagine yourself living in abundance, paying off debts, enjoying luxurious experiences, or achieving your biggest dreams. Make these visualizations vivid and allow yourself to feel joy and gratitude. Express gratitude. As you hold the jar and visualize your goals, take a moment to express gratitude for the abundance already in your life. Acknowledge even the smallest successes and feel thankful for the opportunities that lie ahead. Place the jar by your bed. After completing the ritual, place the jar by your bedside or on your nightstand. This allows your intentions to continue working while you sleep, amplifying the manifestation process. By performing this bedtime ritual consistently, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, setting the stage for financial prosperity. Keep an open heart and positive mindset, trusting the process and being patient as you await the manifestation of your desires. Unlocking your financial manifestation. After 3 nights of performing the bedtime ritual, it's time to unlock your financial manifestation on the 4th morning. Remove the rolled-up bill from the jar. On the 4th morning, carefully remove the bill from the jar. As you hold it, remember the intentions and visualizations from the past nights, and express gratitude for the upcoming abundance. Keep the charged bill as a talisman. Place the bill in your wallet or purse, allowing it to act as a talisman, radiating the energy of financial abundance. It serves as a constant reminder of your intention to attract wealth. Use the sugar to symbolize growth. Instead of discarding the sugar, sprinkle it over soil or a garden. This symbolizes the growth of your financial intentions, just like the sugar will nourish the soil. After completing these steps, you've unlocked the manifestation, and the energy is now set for financial blessings to flow into your life. Stay open to new opportunities and keep focusing on your financial goals. By following this nightly ritual, you are sending a message to the universe that you are ready to welcome wealth and prosperity. Over time, this practice can help you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. You'll start seeing more opportunities to improve your financial situation, whether it's a new job, a successful business idea, or simply better money management habits. Remember, the key to this ritual is consistency and belief. The more regularly you do it, the stronger the results. It may take time, but stay patient and keep believing that financial abundance is possible for you. In conclusion, this simple bedtime routine can help you change your relationship with money. By focusing on your financial goals, setting clear intentions, and welcoming abundance, you are taking an important step toward creating the financial freedom you deserve. The power of your thoughts and intentions should never be underestimated. Keep practicing the ritual, stay positive, and you may find unexpected wealth and opportunities coming into your life. Financial freedom starts with a shift in mindset, and this routine is one way to begin that journey. Stay consistent, believe in the process, and over time, you could see real changes in your financial life.